Magnum brown stew fish recipe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack.
Welcome back to another cooking video. It's a recipe, so Magnum brown stew fish. So I'm starting by show you spice them and things. So the fish right there, whenever show me I wash them and things, but end of the day I'm gonna wash them. Yes, I'm gonna start seasoning them with some Maggi season. I want a recipe for eatable, tasteable and delicious. So I'm showing step by step how I prepare my recipe. So I'm starting by seasoning up everything in one, just like that's up chicken and thing. So I'm going to season up, it's a chicken, it's a fisher. Sorry about chicken, it's a fisher. Make it stay in the fridge for 1 day. So I'm going to put enough season that I'm fried, so just cook it down. Yeah. So remember Magnum brown stew fish. So I'm going to have an Irish right there, onion, carrot and pepper also. So I'm starting by frying my fish and thing, add some garlic to the oil, which are ginger, the taste and flavor. So I'm going to real Jamaican way how I fry my fish then. So I want them golden brown and I fry them first. So see all of my spice right here. Onion, garlic, pepper, scallion, piece of thyme. So I'm going to them cut up and ready. Tomato, well spiced and nice, wash and clean. So I have some medina tea right there. I have a Magnum over here. Yeah. Recipe I have nothing like eatable, tasteable, delicious. Please try it and tell me about it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Please like and share. Recipe is a natural, delicious recipe, eatable, tasteable. So another update on the fish them and thing. I never really use no file for the fish them, you can see. But to me a chef, I can cook, I know if I cook and gauge my pot, my fish them can't eat up and them can't tear up. I just fry, nice golden brown, eatable. Right now mouth there, mouth around water. I not until I'm hungry. Hungry. So I tell us another update again. So we'll see me there in the kitchen, see me, I don't know. Then if I want a shirt and thing, but we have fry some fish and we have store them up, see me and thing here. So we fry one set already, one more set left. Now so some small fish and thing, they're not really big, but them can eat. A natural, nice, eatable, tasteable recipe. So I'm show you some vegetable cut up, it's a well wash and thing, yeah. So I'm starting by turning the fish and thing. You can see them well fry till them skin up, fry, natural golden brown, tasteable, eatable. So well, I turn my fish now. But I watch it oil, because I don't know, to me a chef, yeah, I don't really use no oil on my pot, because you can gauge my pot with a small amount of oil, and the fish them don't eat up nor tear up. So I turn them. And the fish eat up on the one there, they don't want to let off him. So I say, right then, I turn him see, because he don't want me, because well, I go eat him in my belly. So I turn him how I want in the pot, because I fry golden brown how I want it. Fish I say, nah, let go for the one, so I leave the one if he last long and start turning the one how I want it, see me. To get to set the space back in the pot. The pot small and thing, you know. They want a bigger pot here, but end of the day, I have to work with what we have. I say, go. And you know I'm creative, yeah, I can fix back the fish them, how I want them for them fry. So right now, I turn that one, because I can decide this my place stubborn, well, make him go and stay back then. Because I'm not ready to turn, so we now pressure him, make him go and stay. So now that up this again now. See, they will turn them and them fry and them well golden brown and thing and no mash up. See, presentation, they will eatable and thing, and we have fry some more, because they're not really big, you know, small size them, eatable, tasteable size, right? So we'll go on and fry themselves and thing, and I go on there. And I have another update again for the spice them and thing and the fish them. We have some rice right there, not really enough, you know, simple, natural, white rice. The rice I look like it's soft and thing, but you don't know you can eat because it's spicy and nice, you know. And you know, Lumberjack a chef, so anything you put into tastes good. So nobody watch you look at the rice. But the fish them just eatable, more they are drain water and then they are fry well crystal brown how me want them. And I some like them. Some I don't want about them some burn up and then I burn up, and some I want them. Yeah, some add vegetable and things, so I go stir fry the vegetable for 1 or 2 minutes to get the flavour how me want it. Remember Magnum brown stew fish. It's a recipe are eatable, tasteable, delicious. So please remember for watch the video to the end, like and share. You can see the whole of the spice vegetable and the pot and thing. So the recipe I got nice. So I do Maggi see if it's taste and flavour, because you don't know you have to make it for taste and flavour. We now make it salt and we now make too much seasoning. Just put it on a normal temperature how we want our recipe, right? Yeah. So now next step, I'm going to show you step by step. I'll add the Magnum as the sauce to the pot, yeah. I'm going to show you step by step how we use the recipe. Add some water, see me. Little vinegar, some water. Right, natural simple recipe. So well, see the water, some more vegetable go and cook till them get soft. Sorry, Irish and carrot them, don't want them to tough. Well, we have a little browning to give it some color. Yeah, so I'm showing you recipe step by step how I prepare my recipe. So please remember, please watch the video to the end and subscribe. Make some sugar taste and flavor. Normally sugar, you can burn it, you can put it in the pot same here, but not really put enough sugar. End of the day now, so I add some ketchup, same taste and flavor, same here. So when everything cook, it combine together, give me a decent flavor. Some fish them well fry and brown there. I will put a simmer down. Remember some Magnum brown stew fish. And you can see quality of the recipe, the presentation. Let them go and cook how me want them go down to the gravy. I can't send much water in the pot now, so I want to go down how me want it, right? Yeah. But I watch the water, I want my Irish them to cook, and I have enough fish, so I want the fish them to cover in my spice and my sauce how me want it. And if you see a video on TikTok, you just go over YouTube and type it full video, and you see full video come up. Yeah. So well, I start putting fish in the pot and thing and fix them how me want them, cover under the sauce and thing. So recipe I go eatable, tasteable. I'm not telling you, like, I tell I'm out of run water. I want to eat up and then still no one come off. I'm fry them same way. Since I'm creative, I'm still fry them same way on the one header. Alright? So I put the fish and thing in the pot and I can go and simmer down. Simmer down. So I can go and simmer for 10 minutes. You see them stay. I will give them the next 5 minutes. I want them go down right down to gravy. So I set them how me want on the pot and thing. So I want some spice on top, like tomato and them carrot them can show the presentation in my cook. So I dig up some spice and this so pump on top of the pot. How me want it, right? Yeah. So with the carrot with the little Irish to show the presentation of the recipe. So when it simmer down, you can see the presentation. Right now, I'm not telling you like. Enjoy the Magnum burn fish, so please try it and tell me about the recipe. That delicious, eatable recipe. Right now, still I go and do my things here, because I want pan top how me want them. So you know, say, I cover the pot now. I can go and simmer down to me and set them right and proper way in the pot. Right? Yeah. So I must simmer down and thing there, so I cover them down. I go some long video down and thing, because you can see full recipe. So well another update and thing, the fish must simmer down and thing there, guys. You can see the quality of the recipe, tasteable, eatable. Right, them out there run water, but they are hungry. The recipe look delicious, presentation. Another update again. But well, it wants about the next 5 minutes. I want to go down to gravy. When you want to thick up and rich up and nice. Remember Magnum brown stew fish. I shake the pot, don't want them itch and burn. Remember, please watch the video till the end. Like and share Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Please. Well, another update again to the recipe. You can see simmer down and thing. You can see everything, presentation, eatable. Right, some they are hungry and nice, decent recipes. About Magnum brown stew fish. Please try the recipe and tell me about it. And if you see a video on YouTube, shorts, you just type in full video feed and you see it come up on YouTube. Mostly full video there, I took some shots right away. So well, you can see eatable, delicious, finger licking, tastable recipe. Right, so the fish ready now, but I get on too much because I short all the rice and things to show some really hungry. Well, most of the fish come to final, but you still want to go down some mostly, but we'll give it on this 5 minutes. I want to go right down. Natural, nice, delicious recipe. Right? You can see pepper, onion, scallion, Irish. You can see carrot, thyme, everything. See, you can see the fish them well cooked.
You have to love your body.
Presentation, rice, fish,
well,
tomato.
show your body
The
you
recipe.
love it.
Where the spice them see, I don't want to mash up.
Cause I love my body. Oh, I'm so healthy cause